Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have learned about many things using React 18 and we have learned about many different tags. In the previous video, I've told you basically what is match routes, and I hope you enjoy that video in which we have learned about what are match routes and how we can work with this. So today in this video, basically I will be telling you what are control inputs, like how to control your inputs, and by controlling these inputs, how you can build an amazing form. So we will be not building any form, just I will be showing you how to just make the starting things of form, like what are the basics when we are building any form. I'll be not building the form from start to end, like we'll be doing designing or that all stuff. Just I will be telling you all the basic needs of the form which a user needs, because we are working it from beginner to advanced. So we have to start first of all from beginner and then we have to end it on advanced. So I'll be starting to create this form from beginner using this control input. And then in the beginning, first of all, we'll be learning about the tags, or you can say all the like you can say stuff which we are needing in this form. And after getting these all stuff in the coming up future videos, I will be also telling you how to style and how to make it more good looking. So I hope you'll be understanding this video as well of control inputs, and using this control inputs how we can just build an amazing form. So if you just understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn it, they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well. And remember to check out all the React 18 previous videos which I have uploaded, because that are small videos but giving you help if you want to learn React 18 from start to end. Remember to check out my first and second video of React 18, in which I've telling you how to set up the stuff of React 18, like what text editor you should download when you are working with React 18, how to set up folder, how to give name to your folder, how to save it in any location you want to save your folder. So that all stuff I have telling you. You can create your folder again and again, but I am using one folder at the start which I have created in React 18, and I am using it in all the React 18 videos, and in the coming up videos also I'll be using that folder. So remember to check out the first video if you want to learn how to create folder and how we can work it using React 18. So I hope you'll be understanding this. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video about control input, and I'll be telling you basically what is this control input, how you can work with this using React 18 from start to end. So just in the previous videos, we have learned about React 18, and I hope you are enjoying that videos. Like in the previous video, I'm telling you what are match routes, and I hope you understand, enjoy that video as well. So in this video, I will be telling you basically what are control input and how you can work with these control inputs in React 18. So for working this control input here, we have to open our browser and our VS Code. I've already opened my folder because we were working on with the previous video in which we have learned about these match routes. So I'll be raising all this stuff in the previous video which we have learned about, and then you have to don't erase this font because we will be needing it in today's video. Now we have to also change the title, because in this video we are learning about control inputs here. So I will be now changing the title to control inputs. So here I will be now writing control inputs, and I will be now writing here bracket which is saying forms, because we will be creating forms using this control inputs. Now we are getting this. So here after getting these all stuff, we have to move to our main app.js file here. After moving to this file here, you have to just now work with and just see that how we can just create this amazing project of control input. So basically for working with this control inputs here, you have to now create some tags here. So first of all, we will be creating a heading. In heading, I will be writing form, or you can say here simple form heading I will be writing here. After writing this heading, you have to move down, create an input, and in input I will be now just writing here type is equals to text. So here I will be writing, and after writing this I will be now just creating placeholder, and in placeholder I will be now just writing here enter your name. So here I will be now writing enter your name like this, three dots. Then you have to close it. After closing this input, just I will be now moving here, then save it. So you can see we are getting this input here. After getting this input here, you have to move right here, input type is equals to, then here you have to write password, and after writing password here you have to write placeholder, and here I will be writing enter your password. So here user has to write its password, and then you have to now just close it, and same as I will be writing input type, and here I will be now writing email. After writing email here you have to write placeholder, and in placeholder I will be now writing enter your email like this. Then you have to now just close it. then right here input type is equals to, then I will be now writing here message, but here I will be not making this tag, I will be creating text area. Then I will be now just writing calls 30, and right here rows is equals to 30, and in placeholder I will be writing enter your message like this. And then when you've written this, I will be now just closing this tag like this tag. And then when you've written this, I will be now moving, saving it. You can see now we are just getting this all stuff here, like enter your message written. So I will be doing one thing, I will be raising this rows and column which we are getting. So you can see now we are just getting message tag here. So here we have to now just do one thing, we have to make these all stuff down. So for taking these all things down, here you have to now move to your CSS file. Here I'll be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel. You can see now we are just getting this stuff. After getting these all things, you have to style this form. So for styling, we have to also create a button tag. In button, I will be creating a button of submit. So here you have to now just move down. Right here input type is equals to button, and here I will be now just writing value. So here I will be now writing value is equals to submit, and then you have to close it, save it. So here I will be doing one thing, I will be now just erasing this tag here, and then you have to now give a space and close it, and then save it. So you can see now we are getting this submit button as well. So we have to give a spacing from here. So for giving a spacing here, you have to now define this app tag. So for defining this, here I will be now just writing a tag. First of all, I will be giving a space by writing br tag here, and then you have to copy this same br tag which we have written, and then you have to paste it down. So I will be moving here, then paste it, and then you have to press enter here as well, paste it, and then simply here also you have to do same thing. Just we have to now give some spacing using this tag. So you can see now we are getting, so here I will be now reloading. So you can see now we are just getting all this stuff. So we have to give a spacing through this. So I will be moving down right here dot app. First of all, I will be now just writing here. Okay, so I will be writing here dot app. After writing this, I will be writing text align in center like this. Then you have to now just give here padding which should be 15 pixels. Save it. So here after saving these all stuff, now if I just show you, you can see now we are getting it in center, but we are just not getting a spacing. So for getting the spacing here, you have to now just write this tag here. So you can see we are now getting these all stuff. So I will be now just giving the spacing which should be like 50. So you can see from the top we are getting the spacing here. So you can see here we are just now getting the spacing from the top. And after getting the spacing here, I will be just doing one thing. I will be moving down after this tag, and then you have to now just write here font family and write here Poppins. So here I will be writing comma sans serif. Save. Now our font family has been changed into Poppins. After writing this here, you have to now just move right here input, and in input I will be now just giving the padding of 15 pixels. Save. So you can see now it is just too much bigger, so I will be taking it to 10. So you can see this, now we are just getting this. So here if I write it 8 pixel, so 5, you can see now we are just getting the spacing here. And after getting these all stuff here, you can see we are just now getting our input box style. So for now getting it again, here you have to now just do one thing. Here you have to move in this tag, and after moving in this tag here, you have to now just define this. So here I will be now writing div class name is equals to, so here I will be now just writing input, and after writing this input you have to close it, copy this div by pressing Ctrl C and paste it down here, save it. Then you have to move here and then write here dot input and write here padding 10 pixel. After writing this here, you have to move down. You can see from the top we are getting the spacing here, and after getting spacing here, you have to now just use br tag here. So I will be now copying this and then paste it here, paste it, Control Z, paste it here, paste like this, save it. So you can see now we are just getting the spacing here from the top, and like this spacing we are just getting. Now after getting this here, you have to now just write the name. So here I will be now writing p tag, and after writing this p tag here, I will be now just writing name, save. So you can see now we are just getting name written here, and after getting name here, you have to now just copy the same thing, then paste it, here I will be changing it to password. So here I will be now writing password like this, then name like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving down, paste it, and then you have to write here email, and here you have to now save it. Then here you have to write here p tag, and here I will be now just writing here message. So you have to write here. Now when you've written this save, you can see we are just now getting all this stuff here, message and these all things. Now you have to now give the background color to it. So I will be now moving in this, and then I will be now writing here background color. So here I will be just writing background color, which should be crimson. So here when you've written this, you can see now the background color has been changed into crimson, which is looking awesome. We are getting our input box here, which are looking good. Then I will be now just writing here color. So simply here I will be now writing color of text white. Save. You can see text color has been also changed into white. Now we have to style our button. So I will be now writing here submit, and after writing this submit, here I will be now just writing here like here I will be moving. Then you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now writing you can say input type button. So here I will be now just writing input, and here I will be now just writing here type is equals to button like this. Now after writing this, you have to now write here padding 15 pixels. Save it. So you can see here we are just now getting the padding. So you can see this. Now after getting this, I will be giving it the padding layer. So you can see from the left we are getting, if I write here right, so from the right you will be getting the padding. Now after getting this, here you have to increase the width, which should be 250 pixel. Save it. So you can see now we have just increased the width of our button, which is looking good. So here I will be now doing one thing. I will be now just writing here 180. So here you have to write 150 like this. Now I think that it is good. So I will be now doing one thing. I will be copying this same tag from here. Then you have to paste it and just simply do one thing. Okay, so here I will be writing text area. After writing this text area, you have to give padding 10 pixel. Save it. So you can see now we are just getting its padding. Then you have to increase the width here, which should be like 180. Save. So you can see here we are getting 150 if I do. So I think that now it is looking good. So you have to increase the height of it. So here I will be now writing height, and height should be 160 pixels. Save it. So you can see now we have increased the height of our message here, which the user will be writing. So now we are just getting the submit button here as well. And after getting this submit button here, we have to style this. So for styling, you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be moving down. Then you have to now just here you have to write border, and I will be writing here one pic solid, and I will be now just writing here white. So I will be writing one pic solid, or you can say here I will be writing black like this. And after writing this black, here you have to save it, and then write here background, which should be transparent. So here I will be writing save it here. So now we are getting this thing. So I will be now pasting this stuff. Then you have to write here a tag, which should be like here I will be writing hover, and after writing hover, you have to now just write here background color should be changed into white, text color should be into white. So here I will be writing color white like this. Then I will be now writing here border should be none, and here you have to write transition 0.9s. So here save it. Now you have to reload. So you can see we are getting, I think that text should be changed into black. So here you have to write this save. Now you can see we are getting this. So you can see how good looking is that. So if I show you, you can see our simple form is ready here. So we have created this form using control inputs in React 18. I hope you understand how we have created this simple form. We are also getting the hover effect on our button, which is looking good. So like this, you can also create your own form using this amazing control inputs in React 18. And I hope you understand this video. If you have understood, enjoy this video. So remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn, and they can learn about like what are control inputs, and using this control inputs how the user can build an amazing form. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.